If you've ever traded meme coins, you've got free Solana waiting for you. I'll show you how to claim it. Now this is UnclaimedSOL.com. Now you can get there by heading to the link, which is also down below, but then you can also head to their verified X account and then click on the link there. And when you're there, just verify that this is the URL. Now it's as simple as this. Hit start claiming, connect your wallet, and there you go. This wallet has 0.22 SOL ready to claim. Hit start claim. It's then going to show you all of the tokens that you're then going to claim rent back on, and I'll touch on this shortly. Hit claim now. Okay. Confirm. And there we go. Simple as that. And you don't just need to be on desktop. On my phone here, we'll hit start claiming, connect the wallet. And we can see here, I've got 0.22 SOL to claim. Hit start claim. It's going to show you all of the tokens that we're going to get rent back on. Hit claim, continue. And there we go, I have claimed. Now look, this is a great segue. You can see here, I've still got 0.09 to claim. When I hit the start claim, this is actually from PumpFun Rewards. You can see here, down here, PumpFun Rewards. When I hit this, this is actually going to claim those PumpFun rewards. So if you've ever done trading on PumpFun itself with a particular wallet or traded coins that are on PumpFun that have the cash back, this will let you do it here. And there's another reason why I absolutely love this product. You've got scan and address, which means that you can actually paste in an address and see if you've got any coins. So you don't need to go through and connect anything. So you can see here right now, I can actually claim 0.38. So let's go through and claim on this wallet. So basically I could find out how much I could claim before I've even connected the wallet. So you can actually run through a bunch of them just to see what you've actually got before jumping in. So this makes the workflow easier, and it's also built in for trust. There we go, nice and easy. Now, another thing when it comes to trust is they have been independently audited by Cyberscope, and you've got the report here, which shows you that everything is transparent, everything that's going on. So that's just another thing for peace of mind. And I think this is the absolute icing on the cake. You can actually set up alerts for when you've got Solana to claim. So you can put in what you want to do. So point one, you can put in your email, like whatever, or you can actually open up the Telegram bot. And simple as that, when I've got some Solana to claim, I will get an alert. So how does it all work? How do you get free Solana? Well, it's not technically free Solana. What happens is when you engage with a token contract address, so be it token, NFT, something like that, you pay 0.002 SOL in rent. Now, if you do this hundreds or thousands of times, you're actually going to stack up a bunch of SOL, but it's not just that. You can see here all of the different paths, what happens overall. You've also got the PumpFun Cashback rewards. So if you're trading a coin that's got cash back, you will actually get a portion of the fees that you paid when trading. And I think that's very cool and what differentiates this from other products on the market. So I'd like to say a big thank you to Unclaimed Solana for sponsoring the video. Now, they slid into my DMs. They said that they had a better product. I jumped in, had a look, and they actually did have a better product. So yeah, a big thank you to them. So yes, even though this is a sponsored video, you can jump in, check it out, see how much you've got to claim. You've got nothing to lose. So that's how to get free Solana. I wanted to make this video fast, quick, and simple, just so you can get straight to the point. If you enjoyed the video, go down there, drop some love, all of that good stuff. I'd very much appreciate it. I had a pleasure making this video. Hopefully you enjoyed watching it, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.